Hey all, welcome to Food Canopy. In Indian cuisine, Murg Musallam is a gourmet dish. But why should vegetarians miss out experiencing these royal flavors? Let's make a vegetarian version of this Awadhi dish using whole cauliflower. Yes, let's make whole cauliflower musallam, which places the crown at the focal point of this gourmet dish in our very own one pot. Let's start with step 1, that is soaking the cauliflower in hot water. In a vessel of warm water, add salt as per taste, a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of garam masala to it. Stir it well. To this, we are going to add the prepared cauliflower. Please soak it for at least 30 minutes. Let's get started with step 2, that is making our spice mix. In a bowl, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 1 tablespoon of cashews. Mix them well and keep them aside. In a blender jar, let's add roughly chopped onions. Next, we add roughly chopped tomatoes, peeled garlic cloves, some ginger pieces. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, about half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Finally, we add the soaked poppy seeds and cashews along with water. You can add 2 pieces of green chilies to the mixture. Let's blend it to a smooth paste. And our spice mix puree is all ready. Let's start with step 3, that is cooking in our electric pressure cooker. Please turn on your saute mode. Add around 4 tablespoons of cooking oil to the hot inner pot of electric pressure cooker. To this, we add 1 teaspoon of onion seeds and let it sizzle. To this, we add our blended paste. Mix it well. Just be careful, the mixture can splatter. Simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes uncovered and then close it with a glass lid and cook it for 5 minutes. We need to ensure that our onion and tomato mixture is properly cooked. After 5 minutes of close cooking, let's go ahead and add half a teaspoon of kasuri methi to it. Mix it well. Let's go ahead and add half a cup of water. Mix it well. At this point, add the prepared whole cauliflower, which was soaked in warm flavored water. Add the gravy all over the cauliflower. Make sure it's all soaked up in the gravy. Cancel the saute mode. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook high for 2 minutes with pressure regulator at ceiling mode. After the cook time is done, allow the natural pressure release for 10 minutes and then release the remaining pressure. The cook time is just 2 minutes to protect the cauliflower from getting overcooked. The natural pressure release ensures the cooked cauliflower soaks up all the full flavors from the gravy. And open the lid of the pot. It has soaked up all the good flavors from the gravy. Let's take out the cauliflower in a separate plate. We need to add around 1/4 cup of curds to the gravy. Please ensure that the curd is uniformly mixed in the gravy. Adding yogurt is an important ingredient which enhances the flavor of this recipe. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. This is totally optional. You can also skip it if you do not prefer it. And our gravy is all ready to be served. This is the right consistency of the gravy. Please place the cauliflower in a serving bowl. To this, let's go ahead and pour the prepared gravy. You can cut the slices of the whole cauliflower and serve it individually along with the gravy. This is an impressive way of serving a simple cauliflower as a gourmet dish. Hey, if you've forgotten to subscribe to our channel, then please do so now. Thank you.